Hello everyone, my name is Denis and today we're gonna talk about my plans for 2020 and I got 10 of them and I think to make a plan for next year it is a great thing and if you write something and when you make it public I think you have more motivation if you just never making plans or something like this. For 2019 I got a plan that I will make lots of YouTube video and I made more than 75 in English and it was super hard for me because I was thinking that my English level are super low and it wouldn't be interesting for anyone, but some people watch my video and they like it. Thank you all guys. And here's my 10 plans for 2020. I'm planning to research more than 50 stocks and the proof it will be a video on this channel. Second, it will be a better video quality, and this video is some kind of test because I'm filming it on a Sony camera, not on my Canon web camera. The third thing is a better audio quality, and I will make it through noise filter in Camtasia Studio, because I think some of you guys don't actually watch it, you are more listen it. And my fourth plan to improve my English, but here I need some help because maybe I need to pass some exams from now and after 1 year. And number 5, and I'm actually doing it right now, I will try to wear a suit for videos because I think it's better than my regular clothes. Number 6 is to find an interesting format for YouTube because I don't actually think that just research some stock is a good idea, but maybe it is not, I don't know. And I will do some experiments with video, maybe I will find something interesting. And the 7th thing is just for fun. I have a pirate hat and I will wear it just for lulz and you will see it on my Instagram photo. Number 8 is to get audience from Instagram and as a proof I think I will make a weekly posts in Instagram with text, with nice hashtags and some information for another social media. Number 9, I think it is really needed for me because in this year I missed my vacation and I will try to make a 2 weeks vacation without any job and I will just relaxing and clean my mind. And the 10 is a fix shit and I will do some Instagram photo and how I fix this shit. And if you are saying that you will make 10 plans and you actually didn't declare something, I think it is better. And if I will make 10 of them, 10 of 10, actually I will go to cool restaurant and eat some expensive and super cool food. And if I wouldn't make any of this list, I think I will go to strange restaurant and eat something bad. Maybe it will be some of these guys, cockroach. I wish you a Happy New Year, and I wish you to make your plans and try to do something great in 2020. I hope we will see you next year. Bye bye. Thank you.